Brothers and sisters, today in front of the United Nations headquarters, where flags of 194 countries are hoisting, which was created after Second World War so that the people of this planet should be able to live in peace, harmony and mutual understanding. And in the Charter of Human Rights of United Nations, right of self-determination was the basic right, and unfortunately, in spite of that Kashmir issue was brought to UN Security Council by India, even after 70 plus years, that right has not been given to Kashmiri people. Rather, on August 5th, 2019, doing a constitutional bundagardi, they finished Article 370, 35A, even stopped Jammu and Kashmir as being an independent state and turned it into union territory. We are here to give a message to this world body that this butcher Modi, the follower of RSS ideology, which RSS ideology is inspired by Nazi ideology, as their slogan was one nation, one race, one people. Their slogan is Hindustan. Kashmiris are suffering in Kashmir, Sikhs are suffering in Punjab, Christians are suffering in northeast states of Nagaland and Mizoram, and 100 plus crore Dalits are suffering. So our slogan is very clear, our ambition is very clear. Barrister Sultan Mahmood, President of Azad Kashmir, is amongst us. We are eager to hear to him. But one bottom line is that nobody offers freedom in a platter. You have to snatch it. These are not our demands. These are our rights. Demands are demanded. Rights are snatched. Before Barrister Sultan Mahmood comes, 5 slogans for Azad Kashmir, 5 for Khalistan. India out of Khalistan. India out of Kashmir. 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 Who is the butcher? Modi, Modi. Who is the butcher? Modi, Modi. Who is the killer? Modi, Modi. Who is the killer? Modi, Modi. Who is the terrorist? Modi, Modi. Who is the terrorist? Modi, Modi. India out of Kashmir. India out of Kashmir. Thank you very much.
बहुत बढ़िया अमरजीत सिंह जी, अब मैं पाकिस्तान पीपल्स पार्टी